Some people start everything that they grow from seed. Others choose to buy everything they grow from plant starts that they purchase at their local independent garden center. Well, this year, you might want to consider starting as many seeds as you can due to one important factor: money. We've seen over the course of the last 2 years the increase substantially of plant starts. At our independent garden center 2 years ago, a 4-inch pot with a pepper in it was about $3.50. Last year, it was $5.50, and I would suspect this year, why not? It would be $6.50 or $7 a plant. They always sell out, but if you can start your own plants, then you can save a lot of money. This is romaine lettuce. Each one of these plants at that garden center was $5.50 a plant. I've got over 30 here that I'm starting from indoors by seed and going to save a lot of money.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.